guys, welcome to Wenwen's Chinese food cooking channel. So today we are going to cook the instant noodles. What? Instant noodles? Isn't it just following the instruction that's fun? No. If you cook as what I did, then it will be super tasty. I like to store instant noodles at home because sometimes you just don't feel like to cook. So I also like to try to buy different kinds of instant noodles, but sometimes it can really disappoint me. It can taste so boring. Then I didn't save much the day that I don't want to cook. Then I developed this way of cooking it. It can make the boring instant noodles taste much better. And also, even when the instant noodles you like, if you cook in this way, it can also add the flavor, make it much more tasty. Okay, so let's first see what we need today. Instant noodles. Well, that's too much. We just need one. Well, see what I got. This one is a Thai flavor one, which I really like it, so I'm not gonna use it. And this one is pork flavor. I also feel it's fun. I just bought it in the supermarket. I think this one and the last one you can easily find in the supermarket. Then these two are the boring one I'm talking about. One is vegetable flavor, and this one is special chicken flavor, which are not special at all. So I cooked it once. I don't really like it. That's why I'm gonna use it. We use a special chicken one today. And we also need tomatoes. Just the canned food is fun. And next one, Chinese cabbage. Well, not the whole thing, just we need 1 or 2 pieces. Or you can add any vegetables that you like. Green vegetables, spinach is also fun. I just like the Chinese cabbage, so I will add this one. It can make the instant noodles even healthier and also tasty. Alright, next one is my favorite, meat. Like comfort meat, like spam, or some sausage you like, you can put it in. It will be super delicious. But right now I only have 1 can and I'm quarantined at home, so this time I'm not gonna use it. Just let you guys know the idea that you can put something like this in. It will taste even better. Today I have to save it. Of course, we also need salt, sugar, vinegar, and light soya sauce, and oyster oil. These are quite important for Chinese dishes. So if you're into Chinese food, you better prepare them. It's very easy to find them in Asian store. We're gonna use it a lot in the future. Alright guys, let's do it! So first we put the tomatoes in as much as you like. I also prepared the Chinese cabbage into pieces, so put them in as well. Then we put a little bit salt, a little bit sugar, add some light soya sauce, and some vinegar. If you guys are not sure how much supposed to add, just check the description of this video. I'll leave the full recipe there. Alright, last one to put in is the oyster oil. Then we are done with all the sauce. And finally we can put the instant noodle in. Then we put the water in, not too much. Just cover the vegetables is enough. I like to use the hot water, but it doesn't matter. You can just use cold water, just the cooking time is longer. Now we're just waiting for the water is boiling. Try to mix them a little bit. So when it's boiling, you can stir it a little bit. And also, I would like to put an egg in now. Try to also stir it a bit in case the egg will stick in the bottom of the pan. And last, I will also put the original sauce in, so the flavor will be even more stronger and it's definitely more tasty. Just let it cook for 2 or 3 minutes more, it will be done. Dun-dun! Ooh, it smells so good. Look at it, the soup, the color, it's amazing. Super delicious. I really want to show you guys the egg. It's perfect. See? I really love the not totally cooked, the egg yellow, you know. Alright guys, See you in next video. Bye bye.